how to watch replays in Counter-Strike 2. Let's first launch the Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. Then in the main tab of the game, navigate to the TV icon, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. In here, you will find your match history. Simply select the match that you want to watch. After that, click the download button at the bottom, then wait for it to finish. Once it is finished, then click the watch button below to watch your game replay. Also, you can access the highlights of your game and other players. Simply click on that player that you want to watch, then click the button beside the round performance on the screen, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.